from the TomTom mobile team, and this week we launched the Android app, the TomTom navigation app for Android, and so I'm going to be able to show it to you now, and you can see the app live, and it will be available on the Google Marketplace from October this year. It will be available globally in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia, as well as South Africa. So our app, as you can see, is running now. It is has all the core TomTom technology, so IQ routes, advanced lane guidance, text to speech. Yeah, you can also see that the user interface is slightly different. It's really crisp and clean. It's been specially well thought out for the driver. We have one-touch button reporting, which I'll show you now. Yeah, and important to note that the map is stored on the phone, so it's embedded on the phone, which really makes it the connectivity very clear. From no roaming costs are involved at all, and you never lose signal. So you can, if the networks go down, you'll always be able to get your turn-by-turn navigation and never have to be lost. We look here at the toggle bar. We have day and night vision. You can mute it depending on your needs while you're driving. We have 2D, and then up the volume bar. Oops. There we go. We also have one-touch button reporting for speed cameras. You have a choice of mobile or fixed speed camera reporting that gets put out with our TomTom community base, and you can share it. We have our speed over here, so you can see the speed that you're driving at, really fast, as well as the speed limit of the road, and it becomes really well visually shown red once you go over the speed limit. You can see the time, your time to your destination and distance to your destination, and the traffic bar. So unfortunately at the moment we don't have any traffic that's showing up, but if we go and have a look, we can see the details. So on this route currently we have no traffic and no speed cameras, so I'm going to go back and have a look at the view, the summary of our journey, and find some traffic. So you can see our menu here. It looks now very similar to the PNDs, the same look and feel. So we're really trying to show a total TomTom experience, whether you're on a PND, our app, or in board dash from motor. So you can see here so here's a good summary of our road. We can see that there's some traffic and incidences in Germany. So if we go zoom in on Berlin, you can see Saturday morning, so there's not so much traffic around. The incidences are now really detailed and shown, so you can see that a road closure, a lane has been closed, or a car accident and traffic. So if we zoom in on a road closure, it gives you the details. So the delay is for 300 meters and the road is closed. Let's have a look at another. Here we can see that there's roadworks. So it clearly shows you where the roadworks are happening, and you can choose an alternative route. So I'm going to see if I can find some traffic. Here we have a slowdown in traffic due to one lane closed. We have some roadworks happening. So you can see that it tells you exactly where it is. It tells you the time for how long it is delayed, and also the distance of the delay. So we can also then choose. Wait, let's just go back. So when it gives you the breakdown of the traffic, you can choose another route. You can either avoid it completely, or you can have choose a secondary route to minimize your delay. Yeah, and obviously this bar just shows you the distance and your next direction that you have to take. And that's our Android app.